have made it a point of duty to always buy perfumes that people have talked so highly about, to test it, to know if it's truly what they say it is or if it's just hype. Today, I have another Lattafa perfume I want to unbox. And this one is Pectra. I'm going to be unboxing to see what it smells like, and I'm going to be giving you my thoughts about what this perfume actually smells like to normal people like me and you. It's heavy. It feels expensive. Spray it out. Honestly, I was thinking I would not like this Spectra. I was thinking I would not like it, but I actually do like it. It opens up sweet, but the type of sweetness it has is the type of sweetness that you will get from a fruit that is fleshy. You know those type of mango, but this is not mango. Like, is it cherry? Either cherry, plum, or mango, and the sweetness is very subtle. But there's also something like an alcoholic drink that is there. Is it cognac? No, I think cognac is stronger. The alcohol I get in this is subtle. The alcohol I get in this is very subtle. It's not the type of alcohol I get from. It's not the type of alcohol I get from, like, maybe by Killian Angel Share, or what's this new one? Fire on Ice by Lattafa. Not that type of cognac, not that type of alcohol. This one is kind of, it's subtle. The long and short of the whole thing is the opening of this is nice. It's nice. Honestly, I didn't think I would like it. It also has, it also has that type of smell you get from, like, all these dupes of the, what's the name of this perfume? Baccarat Rouge 540. This does not smell like it, but it has something in Baccarat Rouge that it also has. That saffron, that saffron smell is there, but in a good way. I like it. I like it. I didn't think I would like this Spectra. I didn't think I would like it. I just felt it was just going to be one of those overhyped Lattafa perfumes. But this is nice. This is nice. Let's check out the notes. If my videos is coming out different, is because the primary phone that I use to record my videos have spoiled. So I'm using my backup phone, and that is why there is a change in the quality of my videos. So kindly bear with me. kindly bear with me, okay? So this Pectra has the main accord of sweet, tuberose, vanilla, coconuts, white florals, fruity, rum, musky, powdery, and lactonic. Now, for the top note of this perfume, it has rum and plum. And then at the middle, it has tuberose and coconuts. While at the base, it has vanilla, musk, and praline. Honestly, I was so sure that this Pectra will have I was so sure that it will have saffron. The perfume is nice. This perfume is nice, but I think it will still get better. Of course, like most Middle Eastern perfumes, right? I think it will get better. I think I still get a little bit of harshness, around it, especially when I spray it on my skin. I still think it will get better, but at the dry down of this perfume, even though it's said to have a powdery accord, but what I get more from this is soapy rather than powdery. The powderiness is also there, but it smells more like a soapy accord than a powdery accord. The musk is there, the dry down, that musky smell is there, but the vanilla, not a lot of it. I do not get a lot of vanilla. I do not get a lot of praline in there, but the musk I get. So this is a floral perfume, a floral musky perfume. I would like to say this is a floral musky perfume. So if you like a floral perfume that is sweet at the opening with some sort of plum and rum, then you're going to like this. I like it. It's an okay perfume. It's an okay perfume. I think it will still get better. Overall of this Pectra, I will give it a this perfume, it smells nicer on strip than it smells on my skin. I don't know why that is. So for the overall of this Pectra by Lattafa, I will give it a 7.5 out of 10. Okay, that is my take. That is my take for Pectra by Lattafa, at least for now, until I try it out, test it out for a while, and then I'll come back and talk about it more and give you updates about what it smells like, how long it lasts. I'll come back and give you all of those details, okay? But for sure, this is a feminine perfume. I'll call it a unisex perfume, but I'll say women will enjoy it more than men, okay? So this, I would say, is a unisex but leans more feminine. It's a daytime type of scent. It's scent that you can wear during the day, or even all year round, I would say. So if you're somebody that likes to wear not so heavy perfumes, not so gourmand like perfume, but still have some sort of sweetness to it, I think you will like Pectra by Lattafa. So yeah, that's all I came to say about Pectra. I will see how this perfume unfolds as time goes on. Okay, that's that for today. I will see you in the next one. My name is Gloria. Catch you in my next video. Bye bye.